Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing in this period? I hope you guys are having a great and a fabulous day. So today meal preparation is chicken pasta. This super delicious meal. I will show you guys how to prepare chicken pasta. If you like what you see, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload a new video. So let me introduce you to the ingredients. Here are the ingredients on the screen. Two seasoning cube, spring onion, sweet corn, salt, vegetable oil, chicken breast, wash, cut and clean properly, onion, fresh pepper, and pasta. I'm using wheat pasta, but you can use any pasta of your choice. Soya sauce. I'm using 3 sachets of soya sauce. And pepper paste, my favorite. So right now I'm adding 1 seasoning cube and soya sauce. I'm using 3 sachets of soya sauce. And thyme. Mix together until the spices and the chicken cooperate together. After that, allow it to marinate for about 30 to 1 hour. Add vegetable oil into the pan. Allow it to heat up for about 1 minute. Add the marinated chicken to fry. And stir fry continually for about 5 minutes. When the chicken breast is properly fried, you take it out from the pan. Add the diced onion and stir together. Allow it to fry for about 2 minutes. Add 1 spoon of pepper paste. Stir continually so that it won't get burnt. Make sure that the pepper paste and the onion is mixed together properly. Add fresh pepper and little bit of spring onion. Stir After that, you add the fried chicken breast. I'm taking out that big one, but that one is for testing. You stir together. Add 1 seasoning cube. And allow it to fry for about 5 minutes. After that, the chicken sauce is ready. Add oil to it. Add salt. Cover it for about 5 minutes so that water gets boiled. Then after that, add the pasta. You have to stir so that the pasta won't get cake. Cover it for about 10 minutes. But in between that interval of 10 minutes, you have to be checking the pasta so that it won't be caked. Cover it. Drain out the water. And mix with cold water. The reason why I'm mixing with cold water is that it won't get caked. Add the pasta into the sauce. So right now I'm adding sweet corn, spring onion, and stir fry. Mix everything together from the bottom. Add butter. Adding butter is optional, but butter gives a like aroma to the food and a great taste. I'm hungry again. I made this recipe last week and I feel like making another one again. So chicken pasta is ready now. Thanks so much for watching, taking your time to watch this video. I really do appreciate. If you like what you see, please subscribe, turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload this video. And please guys, stay safe this period and eat healthy. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. Have a great and a wonderful day ahead. Bye.